see a concrete slab prepared for the panels to be installed. The foundation slab has the starter bars sticking out. These starter bars are sticking out of the foundation for about 20 cents, 7 inch. Here we see another concrete slab prepared for installation of the panels. The panels already put on site, and we can see the starter bars sticking out. On the corner you have them a little closer because of the joints. The starter bar are installed in a gap to fit into the holes of the panel. And here we see the beginning of an assembly for a bungalow, which is quite fast. They started this morning and it has now been 6 hours. Here we see the windows. The window height has to be ordered from the factory accordingly. The window frame will be slotted into the void space. Here we see again the wedges and the adhesive cement between the panels. This is a window. We can see how the two panels are connected together with the reinforced bar. The reinforced bar is just hammered in, and later on the hole is filled with concrete. The panel weighs, if we don't use lightweight concrete, around 200 kilo, and can be shifted very easy on the site by one man.
Con jeru uangnya apa berarti be? Ya. Ngalih. Dia kono maju. Oh, anu, maju pas. Wes, yo. Loro ya. Oh. Loro ni. Oh.
So after the cement adhesive is put on, they just slot it into the starter bar and put it into position. And then they use the wedge to put it vertical.
Okay.
Apanya lah?
Ya, nih gue repair nih. Gue tik buka. Sini buka aja loh.
Here we see again how they put the cement adhesive on. On the floor and on the side. They lift up the panel into the vertical and walk it into position. This can be done by one man, lifting by three. And as you see, they are all unskilled workers. Panel size here is 600 millimeter by 2,750 or 2 feet by 9 feet. Panel width is standard and the height can be produced in 9 feet or 10 feet depending on your ceiling height. So they lift it over the starter bar, put it into position, and that's it. The whole exercise takes about 5 minutes for one panel. On the top they put the wedge in, a reinforcement to have a proper connection between the two panels. The partition walls are installed in the same manner. Cement adhesive on the wall, on the floor, and slot into the starter bar. Here we see the walls of the buildings all erected in a day's work. This building size is 24 meter long and 6 meters wide. They used exactly for the circumference wall 100 panels, and so far for the partition 8 panels, and 4 men have set it up in one day, 8 working hours. The panels are 600 millimeter wide by 2.75 millimeter high ceiling height.